Okay, so this is my solution for the dust in the lens of the Honor Note 10 problem. You may not see this on this video because this is just a Huawei P9 phone. There is a problem with dust getting into the topmost lens in here, and this makes photos softer, and basically it's a problem. It doesn't seem like the source of the problem would be the gasket around here. It looks more like there are some gaps and holes between this glass lens protector and the rest of the panel. So my solution would be to make sure there are no gaps and holes using some kind of silicone glue. So it will create new gasket and it will be easy to remove in case I would like to replace the glass. Sorry for my voice, I'm a little bit ill right now. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to heat up your phone, I don't know, to something like 30 degrees. I was using a standard wall heater. It was fine, no ovens, no nothing like that. Once the phone will get hot, use this tool to open the phone. It's covered in another video that you can find on YouTube searching for Honor Note 10 Disassembly. It's pretty straightforward. I was expecting some trouble, but there was none. Remember to start from the bottom up. Okay, now we have this disassembled and the back pane removed. I will need to dust off the dust from the lens using standard airspray and some brush. Then I will use this toothpick and where did I put it? Oh, wait a second. And this type of glue, this is a glue for kids' toys and hobbies, and basically it creates a silicone-like layer that's easy to remove. It's flexible and it won't put any kind of dirt or moisture through. My solution would be to place this the very small layer, very delicate layer of the glue on the outsides of the lens protector, and then glue the whole phone back again together. So I'll just pause the video to do this and I will let you know how it actually worked out for me. Okay, so I have placed a little bit of glue on the outside part of the lens protector. You need to be careful in order not to place it on the transparent part of the protector, so it won't be visible from the outside. Now I'll leave the glue to dry, because as you can see it's kind of whitish right now, but once it will dry it will be transparent. Okay, so let's wait for that. And while we wait for the glue to dry, as you can see it's already getting transparent in some places. Why do I think that the problem lies within the lens protector, not the phone, as you can see here itself? I think so because, as you can see, there are no dust particles around here. If the problem would be with seal somewhere around the camera here, I'd suppose that I would be expecting particles of dust on this plastic black part and around here. But as you can see, it's basically clean. So it's not like dust is getting somewhere through here. The only other place that I can think about is this glass protector in here. I've seen that you can actually buy new lens protectors and they are quite cheap. So instead of doing my ghetto mod, maybe it would be the better Sorry, once again. Maybe it would be better solution just to buy new lens protector and make sure it's sealed correctly and replace the old one with the new one. Okay, so let's get back to waiting for the glue to dry. Okay, so the glue has dried. It's completely transparent right now. You can see it there. It doesn't look very pretty, but it'll do. And it's not visible from the outside. I think I'll buy a new lens protector anyway, since removing the backplate is really easy. Okay, so for now I'll close the phone. As you can see, the gasket, the self-adhesive gasket, is immaculate, so I won't need to replace this one. And I think that would be all. What you need to remember again is after you close the phone, you need to heat it up again and push hard on the backplate to be sure that it has snapped and it has sticked as it should be in the beginning. Okay, that's all folks.